Hey, it's Brad, Security All-Star. If you have an Amazon Echo, Amazon Ring, a couple of different Amazon products, and you don't listen to this video, you are potentially putting yourself and your family in jeopardy. So I was very surprised when this story ran on Fox, but it also ran on USA Today with a little blip on USA Today. I'm going to play you a short video. I'm going to come back and address this, and then I'm going to tell you the truth behind what they're really not telling you.
Fox 26 is your station for tech, and Amazon has launched a new feature called Sidewalk that is going to automatically share your internet connection with your neighbors, saying it's going to help your Amazon devices work better. Items like your Ring doorbell or your...
It's going to share the internet connection that you pay for. It's going to share with somebody else the internet connection that you pay for.
Your Amazon Echo device, or even Tile, those little Bluetooth devices that you can slip in your wallet or attach to your keys to keep track of them. Well, by using a little bit of everyone's internet, they want to make a network that keeps your...
Just a little bit of what you paid for so all your friends and neighbors can use it. Just a little bit of it.
Your device is working even if your Wi-Fi goes out. They promise multiple layers of privacy and security to ensure your...
They promise multiple layers of security. This is the same company that's already been breached, that has had people come in remotely and hack the Ring and hack the other products, listen to you inside your home, watch you inside of your home. These are the folks that we are trusting with this.
Personal information is not at risk, but you can totally opt out.
But please opt out. Please look at this. Please opt out.
Just have to do it by hand. If you want to, go ahead, take a picture of your screen right now. These are the instructions, which we also have on fox26houston.com. But you have to go to your Alexa app. Under More, select Settings and go to Account Settings, and you will see an option for Amazon Sidewalk. Click that, and you can disable this feature. And yes, you must do this through the Alexa app. For some reason, they won't let you do this via Amazon's website.
Okay.
You booked a spacious berth.
Sorry, that's loud. All right. So I'm going to give you more than just the geek talk, okay? I'm going to try to break this down for you in a way that is incredibly detrimental. It is incredibly presumptuous on Amazon's part that you're okay with this, that you want to do this. What they know, here's what Amazon knows. Here's what most companies know that provide you these products. You don't have time to read the EULA, the End User License Agreement. You don't have time to read the software. Quite honestly, most people don't want to go take time to figure out how to go in their settings, find this, and opt out. Why on earth anyone is ever really agreeing to let Amazon be their security company blows my mind. I think it's because it's easy, it's fast, it's simple, it's shipped. You don't have to think about it. You put it in, it's pretty easy to use. Hey, it's okay. This is the same company that I talked about a minute ago that has had a number of security breaches. Just go Google it. These things are not suppressed yet. They probably will be at some point if Amazon ever figures out how to pay for it enough, or Google ever figures out how to maybe extort enough money out of Amazon to make them pay to bring the videos down. I don't know, but I will tell you this, that if you have an Amazon, actually I'm going to read the list of products because it's on here, and this is probably not all of them. Here's the list of products, and you can maybe see it behind me. Ring Floodlight Cam, Ring Spotlight Cam, Wired, Ring Cam Mount, Echo Dot for kids, Echo Dot with clock, Echo Plus, Echo Show, Echo Spot, Echo Studio, Echo Input, Echo Flex. So those devices have Sidewalk, and I don't know why on this particular list they're not putting in the Alexas, because it's my understanding that it's the same software. There's also a couple of other products that I looked up. Blink, that I could not find out if, and Blink's an Amazon product marketed as a security product, in your best interest and your family's best interest to have it. But those products, and possibly Blink, all have Sidewalk on them. Now let me give you, So I was in IT sales for a decade. Now I've owned a security company for almost 20 years. So we deal with IT, we deal with firewalls, we deal with security, we deal with MAC addresses, virtual private networks, all the things that you would need to depend on some IT guy to be able to break down for you. I'm going to do it in a very simple fashion. Sidewalk. You're walking down the sidewalk. This is called Amazon Sidewalk. And I think this is probably where they came up with it. Your neighbor's got a ring. You've got a ring. The next door's got a ring or some product. Or they got an Amazon Echo, an Amazon Alexa, an Amazon Echo Toll. I mean, one of those products. They share the Wi-Fi between the apartment buildings, between the condominium buildings, between the houses down the sidewalk and on the street. There's a portion of the network that is shared so the devices talk with each other without you having to set it up. Think about that. Your neighbor's device is talking to your device, is talking to the next neighbor's device, is talking to the guy walking down the sidewalk on his phone, allowing him to use your broadband without you having to configure that. Now just think about that for a second. Your network and your devices in your house are being configured without you having to do that. You think that is a security breach? You think that is an invasion of your privacy? You think, oh well, they have the best of intentions. They do. They have the best of intentions. And it's all looking out for Amazon. They are not looking out for your best interest. Look, I think Simply Safe, which is a security system, I think it is probably one of the best marketed products, but the biggest piece of garbage that's on the market as a real security product is levels above anything that Amazon has or anything that Amazon is selling, because Amazon is only looking out for one thing: Jeff Bezos and Amazon. I guess that's two things. Maybe one and the same. Jeff Bezos, Amazon. That's what they're looking out for. So this wireless network, this mesh network, when the house is talking to the house, Ring is talking to Ring, Echo is talking to Echo, you're paying for that. And if you didn't opt out to it, your neighbor's device is able to use your other neighbor's device, all connected to the network that you're paying for. Now, it's very interesting. If you notice, she kind of did the sales pitch. This is why I don't trust any of the news media outlets, because she said, this is in case your internet goes out, your device will still work. What if you want your wireless network out? What if you want to turn your wireless network off? What if you don't want Wi-Fi or 5G in your home overnight? What if you want to take a break? What if you are concerned about a security breach? So they sell these things under the guise of, hey, it's also less expensive than other products out there. It is less expensive than ADT. I think ADT and Vivint are absolutely some of the biggest rip-offs in the security industry, but like Simply Safe, they've done a great job of marketing. So I want to tell you, if you have an Amazon, a Ring product, an Echo, a Dot, any of those things that can be configured with Sidewalk, throw it away. If you got it within a reasonable time frame, send it back. If you don't get from us, that is perfectly fine. I will tell you that I think Brinks has a quite good system. I don't like their customer service. I don't like their contracts, but it's a very good system. We have exactly the same system Brinks has. It's about a third the cost. I don't have a contract. Why? Because I'm family owned. I'm not a big corporate conglomerate. Whatever you do, make the decision now. Please, I'm begging you. Take this Amazon garbage and throw it away. It is a security risk. It's a wireless risk. It is a hacking risk. It does open up your personal information. Anything that is going to have a public-facing IP address that does not have dual or multiple layers of encryption is putting your information at risk. There. Do I sound passionate? I sound passionate because I honestly care. I care about you. I care about your family. I care about your belongings. I care about your livelihood. I care about your bank accounts. I care about, I don't want your bank account. I care about your bank accounts. I care about you keeping safe what you need to keep safe. Please watch the video again. Go Google this. Google still has these up. I don't look at Google as the end all say all, but these stories are out there. Hey, please like and subscribe. I'm going to continue to bring you good information about security products that you can trust, that you can use, that have multiple layers of military grade encryption, that you don't have to worry about crap like this going on. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.